How to send location on Messenger. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to send your precise location on Messenger but don't know how? If yes, then you are watching the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, enable location or GPS from your quick settings. To do that, swipe down from the top of your screen, then enable location or GPS from the quick settings. Once it is enabled, open Messenger on a mobile device. You will land on the chat section. Select a conversation or group chat where you want to send your location. Once you are in the chat, tap on the plus icon at the bottom. A menu will appear. Tap on the option for location. Messenger will ask for location permission. Tap allow, then tap while using the app. Now you will be able to access the location page. Messenger will automatically detect your current location using your device GPS. You will only see the option to share live location. However, we want to send our precise pinned location just once, not live. To do that, tap on the map marker icon, then adjust the pin to your current location or the location you want to mark. Now, if you notice, the option for sharing live location has disappeared. Instead, you will see a card showing your pinned location and a send location button. Tap on send location. As you can see, your precise pinned location has been shared in the chat. If the recipient taps on it, then they will be able to get directions to your shared location and navigate to you easily. Please keep in mind that this location is static and won't update as you move. If you want to send your live location that updates in real time, then check out my video on how to send live location on Messenger. The link is in the card section, description and pinned comment. And there you have it. You have successfully shared your precise location on Messenger. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.